Myths, legends, and misunderstandings about self-defense. False concepts. There are all sorts of myths about self-defense floating around the internet. The most prevalent is that there is an ultimate self-defense style that will teach you how to perfectly subdue an attacker under any circumstance with just 1 or 2 moves. But there is no such thing. Self-defense is not one size fits all. How you defend yourself greatly depends upon the physical abilities you have. When learning self-defense, it is important to pick a school which best suits your needs. Remember, it has to teach you the most effective way to defend yourself, using your current form. Do not be a shoebox commando. A shoebox commando is someone you see on TV selling those self-defense DVDs, saying their system is the best and/or the end-all of self-defense. The reason these types of people are called shoebox commandos is because what they actually know about self-defense or martial arts will not even fill a shoebox. Taking 1 or 2 self-defense courses does not guarantee you are ready for self-defense in the real world. Go beyond hands and feet. There is a myth in martial arts that your hands and feet are the only weapons you will ever need. It may be true for an expert, but not for you. There are situations where weapons are definitely called for. Even the most seasoned martial artist will use weapons when necessary, and common sense will tell you what can be used efficiently. It could be a ballpoint or an empty bottle.